Hello everybody, this is your guy behind the keys. My name is Dumisani for all of you who don't know me. And yes, I just thought of coming here and playing something for you. And yeah, this is what we do in this channel. And thank you so much for our all new subscribers. Thank you guys. Thank you for my subbies who have been with me from day one. Yeah man, we are on road to 1K subscription. We are just under 50 to reach our 1K. Oh my god, I am so excited for this journey of YouTube. It hasn't been easy, y'all. You know this. Y'all have been sharing these video links and my channel and all of that. I just thought of coming here and appreciating the love so far I've seen, and I've seen God taking me from nothing, from zero to something. And yeah guys, let us keep this channel growing, man. I am so excited. And yeah man, let's keep on worshiping together today. It's not gonna be a very long video, it's just a short video, but I am so excited, of course. And sorry guys for actually neglecting the channel for this long. It's almost a month I haven't posted anything, but yeah guys, I am back now. Yeah. Libongwe